I'm Darren Feinblum, and I'm one of the partners at Feinblum & Hanel. I've been defending people charged with crimes for the past 10 years. You've obviously come to our website because you have some questions, and this page is dedicated to vehicular and DUI manslaughter, probably one of the most serious traffic offenses one can be charged with. Vehicular manslaughter is a serious case. That means someone died as a result of your recklessness in driving your vehicle. It doesn't mean you were impaired, it doesn't mean you were drunk, but it's one of those cases where if someone dies because of your reckless driving, you could be looking at a potential prison sentence. A couple things that we want to do in this type of a case. We may want to employ a traffic crash investigator, privately retained. We also want to recreate that scene that day. Those are all things that we're going to need to use to defend you on this type of a case. It's definitely a felony, and you're going to need some help quickly. So if you're charged with any type of vehicular manslaughter, please give us a call at 1-800-FIGHT-IT. Let's talk about DUI manslaughter, because these are some of the stiffest penalties one can have in the country. I don't know if many of you have realized, but some people are even charged with murder if they drink and drive and someone dies as a result of that. When you talk DUI manslaughter, the state attorney's office has to prove a couple of things. One, they've got to prove you were driving. Two, they've got to prove you were the cause of the death. And three, they've got to prove you were impaired. If you are charged with DUI manslaughter, many times the state attorney's office will issue a subpoena for your medical results. They want to find out what your blood alcohol level was. So that's one of the things that you have to fight. You should receive something in the mail regarding that, that they want to subpoena your blood results. You need to contact our office so we can properly object to that, preserve your rights. We want to fight their ability to get those. In the meantime, we're going to go over that accident scene, and we're going to try and find out whether you were the one that caused this accident. In the state of Florida, if you're charged with DUI manslaughter and only one person died as a result of this accident, you're looking at 12 years in prison based on your score sheet, and it can go even higher, up to 25. So it's really, really important that you contact our office. They treat DUI manslaughter as an intentional crime. I feel it's not an intentional crime, and I feel in certain situations that leniency is warranted. So we really, really need to get on board early in these types of cases. DUI manslaughter is extremely serious, and the state attorney's offices around this state treat it that way. So please give us a call as soon as you can. We'll do everything in our power to defend you and get you the best possible result. Visit us at fightyourcase.com, fightyourdui.com, and 1-800-FIGHT-IT.